back to another episode of David Teaches. In today's episode, we're going to be making conductive paint. The main part of this experiment is the graphite powder. You need this. Another main part is Elmer's glue, and you'll also need some measuring containers. Let's do it. To start, we're going to be adding 10 milliliters of water. Now we're going to add 10 milliliters of Elmer's glue. Now let's take a second to thank our sponsors. The Hurdle Bros has their first official sponsor, Dubby. Dubby is a special powdered energy drink. One of the greatest things about this drink is the formula behind it. It comes from coffee fruit extract that gives you focus and energy with none of the jitters and no crashing.
Dubby contains no calories, sugars, fillers, maltodextrin, whatever that is, or artificial colors. And the best part, it's produced in the great old USA.
Dubby has a variety of flavors, such as Dub Sludge,
Dragonade,
Calio Cream,
and more.
They also sell merchandise, such as stickers,
shirts,
hats,
and more.
Go to dubby.gg to purchase any of these items. Use code HurdleBros to get 10% off your total order. Now we're going to add 15 milliliters of graphite powder. Now we'll just stir everything together until it's into like an ink solution. So now that we got it all mixed together to the consistency that we want, now let's see how it works. Now we'll get some cardboard and some LEDs. Now we'll place our LEDs inside the cardboard. So while it was drying, I added these jumpers so we can connect it to the power supply. Now we'll add a second layer of ink. So now that everything's dry, we're going to connect it to a breadboard. And there you go, conductive paint. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode.